Tables can be navigated using either the workflow menu or the table tree. The workflow menu consists of the tables located across the top. These are determined by the selected workflow. The other way is by using the table tree found under the navigator. Right-click anywhere and select Show All Tables from the menu. This will display all the tables that were previously hidden, such as lookup tables. Right-click and select Show All Tables again to turn it off. Right-click and select Search Tables to display the search bar. Right-click and select Search Tables again to turn it off. To return to the previous table, simply click on the back button in the interface.